Tired of grime and dirt taking over your home's exterior? We've got the perfect solution for you. All Seasons window cleaning and pressure washing in Cape Coral, Florida is your go-to for making your home sparkle. Located at 712 SW 22nd Terrace, their expert team transforms dirty driveways, grimy patios and moldy roofs into pristine surfaces. Why choose them? Professionalism, comprehensive services and a customer-centric approach set them apart. Plus, they're fully licensed and insured, offering peace of mind with every job. Regular pressure washing isn't just about looks. It boosts curb appeal, prevents long-term damage, and creates a healthier environment. From driveways to lanais, they handle it all with state-of-the-art equipment and eco-friendly solutions. So, don't just clean, revitalize. Visit All Seasons Window Cleaning and Pressure Washing's website or call 239-541-3322 to schedule your service today. Your home deserves the best.